Hi guys, and today our activity is making paper beads. What you need are either colorful paper, newspaper, or book pages. You could also paint your paper, scissors, pencil, ruler, glue, stick or regular glue, and straw, and a piece of yarn. The first step is choose whatever paper you like and draw and cut out any isosceles triangle shapes, right triangle shapes, or rectangular shapes on your paper. If you don't own scissors, feel free to also strip them with your fingers. However, make sure your paper strips are proper length. If you want to make larger beads, just use a longer strip of paper. Next, you're going to add some glue down on one side of the paper strip and start rolling it around on your straw. If you would like to have a smaller hole, you can use a toothpick. Take your time at this part if you're using the squeezable glue. If you're using the squeezable glue instead of the stick glue, it's going to be a little tacky, but it will still hold together. Now, repeat the steps with each of the paper strips until you have enough beads to thread on. What I did next, but you don't have to, is apply some extra glue over the beads and allow them to dry. It doesn't take long to dry, so by this time you can ask your parents or your guardian to measure around your wrist to make sure your bracelet is a proper size. Now that your beads are dry, you're going to thread them on. I rearranged mine a lot until I got the design that I find was satisfactory. So, you know, every time we do something, there's a learning outcome. So let me explain to you a history of our paper beads. Victorian women used to use newspaper prints and other printed papers like we did today to craft smaller beads. You wanted to know why they used these beads? The beads were not just for jewelry. They would apply perfume on these set beads to create a scented paper bead. Because back in their time, perfumes were a bit expensive during those days. So scented paper beads were a way for them to smell good all day without having to worry that their perfume bottle was going to be used up before time. Yep, that's true. And as always, please subscribe and thumbs up the video if you would like to continue having a lot of content. Bye guys!